package of cream cheese, salt, and I'm going to add the eggs in. We'll get it to mix smoother, and that's just 4 eggs. Try to get this mixed together. And I'm using this old school because I don't feel like pulling out the mixer, and this will work just as well. It's the kind my mother had, and I searched till I found me one. If it was good enough for her, it's good enough for me. Okay. So now I'm going to add, I'm using Fridge Vanilla, Duncan Hines. Oh, perfectly moist. There for a minute, nice and slow. Try not to get it to splash everywhere. Powder to go everywhere. We're trying to do less, not more. Take your time. I'm gonna add some. I have a half a cup of milk. I wanted to use half and half, but I didn't have any. I thought I did, but I didn't. This is thick, honey. This is thick. I'm gonna have to change my mixer. I guess I ain't as strong as Mama. If it gets too, because it's a thick batter. It is. But if it gets too hard, I'm going to pull out the electric mixer. Get this all mixed up till it's nice and smooth. Come on now. Just stirring it a bit first. So I have a few more liquids to put in here. So it's going to make it a little bit easier. The rest of this milk. And over here I have a stick of butter, melted butter. Let's get it on in and we do a little at a time because I don't want it to splash everywhere. Get it combined first. This cake is worth the effort though. Much sad. I ain't what I used to be. And just think back, you know, in the day, they used to, me and they, like from my mother's generation and so on, they put that bowl up under their arm and use that spoon and they would beat it until it was smooth like it was nothing. But I'm not built like it. Goodness. Yeah, I quit pinching. Okay, let me go ahead and get this. Don't want to bore you. You weren't looking at change my beater. This is my egg beater. And it goes a lot, it turns a lot smoother. See what I'm saying? Gets the job done. It's going to add some vanilla extract. That's about a tablespoon and a half, but you can add as much as you like. Okay? Stir that in. We're going to get this mixed in well, and then we're going to put it in the pan. We're going to bake it at 350 for probably about 45 minutes. That was a joke, but for real. 45 minutes. Let's do this. You don't want to overbeat it, but you do want it to be smooth as possible. That should do it. Okay, I sprayed my pan well with baking spray. Let's get it in here. You know what? I wanted to layer it, but it'll be fine. So I'm just going to put plenty on the top. We'll just do some swirling. Be sure that it gets down in the cake. Get the rest of this out because it's so good. And it's not super sweet, okay? This here is what I was talking about. Where's my little... Hold on. Here, I have some brown sugar mix. And I used 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, and I just put a bunch of cinnamon in there. And to taste. And that's what you should do. As much or as little. If you decide to make it. Let's get it in there.